Hey, how are you too? Today we're going to review the FMS FCX24 K5 Blazer. My name is Santiago Salinas and this is the Stuff RC. This is the third iteration of this amazing platform that FMS is giving us. First they came with the Power Wagon, then they jumped to the Smasher, and now they are giving us a fully licensed K5 Blazer body. So let's take a look what is inside of this box. Inside the box we will find the new V2 transmitter from FMS. Really nice transmitter, really small. This is the perfect size for a microcrawler. The actual truck with this beautiful body, such an amazing body. We're gonna talk about it in a little. 380 LiPo battery with its charger, some stickers, a wrench, a roll bar. I'm gonna explain you why they're giving us a roll bar. You will have to put it together, yet they are providing with all the necessary hardware to do it. Some O-rings, these are for the chocks and they will allow us to add oil to them. Great option to have, by the way. Thank you FMS for that. And some preloaded clips also for the chocks. In addition, we will get the user manual. Always read the user manual for your RCs. And for the first batch of K5 Blazers, FMS is giving us a roof rack and a high performance bumper. Okay, let's talk about the body. This is a beautiful licensed body, so you will find plenty of stickers of Chevrolet. Also the K5 Blazer logo will be found here. What else? Beautiful paint job right here. The painting on this thing is just amazing in both the real shell and the actual body of the truck. Really beautiful. They are giving us molded plastic for the grill in a chrome finish, and I have to say it looks so beautiful. The contrast between the orange with this chrome is amazing. They're also giving us molded, the bumpers are molded plastic in a chrome finish, pretty cool. They are giving us mirrors, and when you look on the back, I don't know if you're able to see, they are real mirrors. Really nice, really detailed, expected from FMS. The wheels are chrome, made from plastic, and they look pretty accurate for the decade when this truck was released. Pretty nice. We have let me see, I don't think we have LED slots there, so we'll see. I will double check. I'm not sure about it. Molded rear bumper too, pretty nice. They are giving us some stickers where instead of a molding plastic, they are giving us chrome stickers right here. They look pretty nice. I won't complain about it. I really like the way they look. Same story for this light right here. Something super cool is, let me turn it on. They are giving us lights. By default they are off. If you press the bind button, oh, sorry for that. If you press the bind button, they will turn on. Let's jump to see what is inside of this baby. Another cool thing about this body is that you can remove the rear shell, and that way you will have a truck, and that's why they are giving us this roll bar in order to just make it look more scale. I mean, FMS puts so much effort in give us a scale trucks, and I really love that fact from them. The other nice thing is that this is a clipless body, and that's another great thing. So the way it works is you have this 4-pin system that pretty much you have some clips here that you have to press, and then it jumps. Same story on the back and on the rear, and then you have the body out. We have the wires for the lights right here, and pretty much all the internals of the body. In order to remove the camper or the rear shell, you have to remove these 4 screws right here. So that's the way it has to be done. Okay, let's move forward to the chassis. Inside that beautiful body, we will find the FCX24 platform. That for me is a game changer, basically because of two things. Number one is giving us portal axles And number 2 is giving us a 2-speed transmission right out of the box. Right now, there is no other manufacturer that offers that much value in a ready-to-run format. Besides that, we are receiving a nylon frame. It has a little bit of flex, but it's good enough. It's good enough. Also, we are receiving plastic links. We're receiving plastic shafts, plastic steering links. Inside of the differential, also they are giving us plastic gears, but that's a different story for the portals. Inside the portals, they are giving us metal gears with a combination of bushings and bearings. What else? Also, the dampers. These are our friction dampers. They are quite bouncy, as you can see. But FMS was kind enough to give us, to also include the necessary O-rings in order to add oil to them. And for me, this is something that you must do because of the weight of this body. For the electronics, they are including the FMS R3A, that is a receiver ESC combo that does a really good job. If you're planning to start a building project, I would recommend this receiver ESC combo because they are including the transmitter plus this electronics for $30 in the FMS website, which this is a great value. This is a really good deal. For the motor, they are giving us the RS130 motor. This is also a pretty decent motor. I really like how the performance of it is pretty smooth, pretty responsive. I really like it. There is another servo right here. That is the one that helps us to change the gears in order for the 2-speed transmission. I'm not sure what is the spec of this. If I figure it out, I'm gonna leave it in the comments below. And also we are receiving, of course, our steering servo. Not sure about the spec of this neither, but it does a decent job. Yet I think I wanna upgrade it with time. Finally, we have a switch to turn on and off the truck that I really appreciate. There's some people that doesn't like it because add weight to the truck, but in my case, I am a fan of this. What else I can tell you about it? I think that's it. That's all I have to say. The only thing left is to drive this baby and to see what it can do outside there.
We're changing to the idea.
The FMS FCX24 is an amazing platform that gives us so much value for our money. Number one, we receive this beautiful K5 Blazer body with plenty of details, molded plastic on the grill, beautiful rear and front bumper, beautiful wheels, tinted windows, such a nice truck to see. In addition, we are receiving a high performance truck. You are getting portal access right out of the box, and what for me is a game changer in the mini crawler world is the 2-speed transmission inside of this thing. It's such a nice thing to have. If you want to rock crawling, you get this smooth and super slow performance that allow you to make this technical that give you this technical and tactical driving experience. And if you want to bash around with this truck, it's also capable to do it. You just change the gear, shift the gear, and you are bashing, and it's quite fast. You can make small jumps. It's so much fun to play with this truck. I'm so impressed with it. In addition, as I mentioned, it gives you options. This body was thought for the people that like wants to have a trail truck, and for the people that wants to crawl with it. So you can remove this rear shell, and you are getting rid of around 20% of the total weight of the body, which is great. Just that is a free improvement on the performance of this truck. Such a nice thing to have. And on the cons, I have to mention, as beautiful as this body is, it's also heavy. So this truck likes to flip a lot. And the other thing that I need to mention is that the chocks are the chocks. Remember, these are friction chocks, so the truck is quite bouncy. So when you combine that bounciness with the weight of the truck, it is not good. Of course, remember, FMS include the O-rings in order to add oil to these chocks, and then you will kill that bounciness, and you will improve the performance of the truck by a lot. So just that's something you have to do right away. Right when you open when you unbox this truck, just add oil to the chocks right away. Once again, since you can remove this rear shell, that also will help with the performance. So that's FMS already think and how to help out with that bounciness and the weight of the truck. The other thing, let me see, one other con. The other thing, this is not that important, but when you remove this rear shell, there is no window on the back of the cabin. So you can notice like at the trim of the window, but you will have to cut your own vinyl and just to add that window there. But that's nothing. The other thing, this is a Pro. I'm gonna jump to Pros once again. The electronics are pretty good. I really like this receiver ESC combo, pretty cool. I really love the transmitter. This is small and it's really easy to use with just one hand. Pretty useful when I was taking the shots of this truck. The electronics are good, pretty good. I really love them. And I don't know, I think that's the only things I have to say about it. So in conclusion, this is for me the best mini crawler on the market right now. For $145, you receive so much value. There is no other brand that gives you that much value right out of the box. And as I mentioned, for the first batch, they are including this high performance front bumper and also a roof rack. So I don't see how any other brand can beat this platform right now. I'm pretty sure this will take a lot of the market on the mini crawler hobby. Such a great truck. If you are thinking to buy a mini crawler right now, this is for me the best option outside there. So my name is Santiago Salinas. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful for you. And this is the Stuff RC. Take care, guys. See you.